Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you how to wash your brushes. Cleaning your brushes is essential to maintain the quality of your makeup products and also the quality of the bristles of the brushes. To clean your brushes you can use products that you already have at home like a dish soap, shampoo, soap, olive oil. You don't have to buy a specific product to clean your brushes. In case that you don't have a lot of time to wash your brushes during the week, you can also spot clean them. I will also show you how to spot clean your brushes, but it is always better to deep clean your brushes at least once a week. For this video I will show you how to wash your brushes with a dish soap, and you can do exactly the same steps if you want to use shampoo or olive oil or something else that you have at home. I'm going to use the Pril dish soap. This is for sensitive skin and contains aloe vera. Try to find products that they don't dry your skin. That means the soap will not dry the bristles of your brushes too. A lot of times I also use a shampoo. This is my beautiful pineapple plate that I use every time to wash my brushes. I got it from Primark, and in this one I'm placing the dish soap. For today's video, I'm going to use a silicone brush egg that I also got from Primark, and I think it was €2. This one is very useful for brushes that you have used to apply your eyeliner or any creamy products that have dried on the bristles. In case that you don't have something like that, you can wash your brushes in the palm of your hands. I have done that for many years and it worked just fine. So don't worry if you don't have a brush egg or a mat or a glove, you can use your hands. I'm taking this little bowl that I'm going to fill in with water and I place it into the sink. I'm starting off with this dirty face brush and I dip it into the water. After that, I'm taking a little bit of the soap and then I swirl on the brush egg. I continue this until the foam gets a white color. After that, I'm rinsing with lukewarm water. For bigger brushes, I'm trying to rinse the soap out very well with my fingers. Following that, I'm squeezing the excess water and I'm pressing the bristles with my fingers to give them shape. This way we're going to maintain the shape of the brushes. The whole process needs to be done with the bristles of the brushes facing down. The ferrule is holding all the bristles with glue. We don't want any water to get inside the ferrule, so the glue will not loosen and the bristles will stay in place. After washing them, I'm placing the brushes on a towel. The bristles need to hang over the edge of the towel. This way we're going to let the bristles air dry and keep their shape. With some antibacterial wipes, I'm cleaning the handle of the brushes too. We're touching all the time the handle of our brushes, and this is also a part of the brush that needs to be cleaned. If you don't have a lot of time to deep clean your brushes, you can also spot clean them in between uses. I'm using this spray by Ebelin. It's very easy. I just spray a little bit of product on the bristles and then I swirl on the tissue paper until the brush gets completely clean. I prefer this technique for smaller brushes and I clean my brushes this way when I'm in a fashion show or a photo shooting that I need instantly clean brushes, and after that I get home and I make sure to deep clean all of my brushes. I wouldn't recommend spot cleaning your bigger face brushes. It takes a lot of time and it feels like they are not squeaky clean. This is how my setup looks when I'm not filming. I usually wash my brushes at night and let them air dry overnight. Share this video with a friend that doesn't know how to wash their brushes, and also give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you use another way to wash your brushes. You can also watch some more videos that I have here. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!